Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to play with some new lippies from Chanel. So Chanel has come out with some new colors in the classic Le Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue. And you guys, for someone who does not like liquid lipstick, I do love these. So if you are interested in checking out 4 of the new colors in these Chanel's version of a liquid lipstick, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I was able to get my hands on 4 of the new shades, and we are going to start with Endless Pink. So Endless Pink is one of these kind of perfect everyday colors, and the way that I like to put these on, just a light layer to start. This is Endless Pink, and I'm going to kind of let this dry down. So we're going to see how my lips fare with these, because once you put these babies on, it is hard to get them off. That is one of the reasons I love these kind of lipsticks, because once you put them on, they're going to stay throughout the day. It comes with the other side that has a really nice ample amount of clear gloss so that it isn't drying to your lips. So okay, once it has dried down, you want to take the gloss and transform your lip color. And this is the shade Endless Pink. The next shade I have is Light Mauve. So this one's right in my wheelhouse. Once it's dried down, then we're going to take the other side, and this seals it all in and it makes it super comfortable. So again, not a huge liquid lipstick wearer, but I do love these, especially because I'm not someone who always reapplies lipstick throughout the day, so I love getting a little stain. This one is Light Mauve. Lips are getting a little raw, but this one is my favorite so far, and this is light brown, and I just love this one. So and so far light brown is my favorite one of the bunch. Gonna let that dry down just a little bit, but I love it. It's kind of like a little bit of a tawny kind of brown color. I feel like it's kind of a perfect fall shade, just year round. Gives you a little bit of oomph, and I think you can feel it when it's ready to apply the gloss, and you'll see this is just such a pretty color. And this is Light Brown. Okay, last but not least is I picked up Passionate Red. So if you can see in the tube, it actually looks kind of like a burnt caramel color, but when it's swatched, it's kind of a really rich berry. So now when you see this come out in the dough, you'll see it's a little bit more of a rich berry tone, which I just thought was super pretty. So let's put this one on. So with the darker tones, you're going to want to spend just an extra few minutes just to get it where you want it on your lips. And then anytime if I want, I will take a little bit of a lip liner and just fill in areas. And then you can also take your concealer and just kind of really perfect around the lips. So starting to get there, you guys, you'll kind of feel it. It'll be dry when you open them up. I can still feel a little tackiness, so I just wait patiently. And then I will put on the beautiful gloss. And then this to me was just sort of a fun kind of fall color. I tend to like to go towards those reds that are a little bit more berry based. And so this particular red has a little bit of rich berry in it, so kind of a red berry tone. And this is Chanel's Passionate Red. Perfect little fun color for fall or just your power red. These truly are long lasting and hard to get off. So these are the 4 shades that I got. The one that I would highly recommend is light brown. I just love this shade. I actually really love this Passionate Red. This is not something that I tend to wear, those kind of reds and stuff. But if I am gonna wear one, this is the one that I would wear. Then of course I love the light mauve because I'm someone who likes mauve. And then the Endless Pink is just gonna be your classic kind of everyday kind of color. So those are the ones that I picked up. So guess what? As usual, I want to know if you are planning on picking up any of these, or if you already did and you have a favorite color, let me know. Again, you guys, I picked these up from my friend Sophia at the Chanel boutique. I have not seen them online yet at chanel.com. So if you are needing to get your hands on these ASAP, I will leave Sophia's information down below in the description box. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with another one soon.